Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. Sir, the coal mining industry is a sick child. Stop. An attempt is being made by this bill to increase the coal development rebate and inject some health into that sick child. Stop. This remedy, in my opinion, would have limited effect. For, as pointed out by the previous speaker, the problems raised by the condition of the coal industry are of a wider and different nature and need solution on a wider canvas. Stop. It has already been pointed out that the World Bank promised a loan of $35 million to the coal industry with the condition that matching rupee finance should be forthcoming from the industry itself. Stop. It is some time now that promise was made by the World Bank, but because the local coal mining industry has not been able to raise the rupee finance, the sum promised by the World Bank has not been utilized so far. Stop. This is an effort now by the government to give some inducement to the local coal mining industry to invest more money in plant and machinery by raising the development rebate. Stop. But then the coal industry is faced with a peculiar situation. Stop. The demand in this country for coal, the potential demand and the actual demand is of a very higher order. Stop. The production falls far short of the potential demand, but then we find that there is glut, there is stockpiling of low grade coal at the pit heads, which leads to many complications. Stop. Therefore, the government, while trying to inject this incentive in this mining industry, should be aware of the other connected problems, because life is an integrated whole. Modern economic life also is an integrated whole. Stop. You cannot take steps only in one sphere and leave other spheres untouched. Stop. If a problem has to be solved, it has to be solved on a broad front. Stop. Suitable matching measures have to be taken in the other fields as well. Stop. This concession, no doubt, is large, but as the previous speaker has rightly pointed out, we do not know what amount of money, what amount of rupee finance this concession will make available to the coal mining industry in the next 3 or 4 years. Stop. In the absence of figures in this respect, we seem to be in the dark. Stop. Why has the dollar loan advanced by the International Bank for Development not been utilized so far? Stop. Over.